start with the mode. Okay, how to calculate the mode in the frequency distribution table. Mode, write down the formula. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 times F1 minus F0 minus F2. This into H. L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 times F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay. So what is L? L is the lower limit. Write this. L is the lower limit of the modal class. L is the lower limit of the modal class. F1, it is the frequency of the modal class. F1 is the frequency of the modal class. F0, it is the frequency of the preceding class. Frequency of the preceding class. Preceding the modal class. F2, frequency of the succeeding class. Succeeding modal class. And H, size of the class interval. Size of the class interval. Okay, size of the class interval. So first we have to select the modal class. First we have to select the modal class. So what do you mean by mode? What do you mean by mode? The most occurring number. That is, when is the most occurring number we get? In the highest frequency, right? Mode means the most repetitive number, or then we call it as a mode. Okay, so where we get the most repetitive number? In the highest frequency we get the repetitive number, right? So highest frequency, where in the class interval, where do we have the highest frequency, that will be the modal class. Okay, so first thing, mode means was the repetitively occurring number, most occurring number in that data, that is the mode. Okay, so in the highest frequency, what does it indicates? That in that class interval, it is the more are there, right? Maybe more number of students getting in that same class interval, like that, marks like that. So the modal class will be the one which is having the highest frequency. Modal class is the one which is having the highest frequency. So first, selecting the modal class is very important. You should not do the mistake in taking the modal class. Then whatever calculation you would have done, everything will be wrong if you do the mistake in the modal class. Okay, so first we have to select the modal class which is having the highest frequency. Okay, in the L here, in this formula, L will indicate the lower limit of that class interval, lower limit of the modal class. F1 indicates the what is the frequency of that particular modal class. Okay, F0, it is the preceding class frequency, we call it as the F0, and the succeeding class frequency, we call it as F2, and H is the size of the class interval, that is upper limit minus the lower limit. H is the size of the class interval, that is upper limit minus the lower limit, that will be the H value. Okay, so it means what? H we are taking constant here. That's why we are able to take the H value. That is the class interval size, we have taken the same thing for all. Okay, that is the meaning there. Okay, we'll start with the mode. Write down the question. Calculate the mode. Calculate the mode. Family size. Number of families. So family size is 1 to 3, it is 7. 3 to 5, it is 8. 5 to 7, it is 2. 7 to 9, it is 2. And 9 to 11, it is 1. Okay. So what they have given, a survey conducted on 20 household in a locality by a group of students resulted in the following frequency table of the number of family members in a household. This is the family size. If it is ranging from 1 to 3, how many families are there? There are 7 families. Then the family size is between 3 to 5. So number of families they have counted is 8. 5 to 7, 2. 7 to 9, 2. 9 to 11, 1. So this is the frequency. What number of families count, it is the frequency. The highest frequency is 8. So this is the model class. So this is the model class. Okay. So we know that what is the formula we have? Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 times F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay. And L is the lower limit of the modal class. So it is 3. And what is H? H is the size of the class interval, that is 3 minus 1, 2, 5 minus 3, 2. So H is equal to 2 here. Okay. So H is equal to 2. Now what is the frequency? It is 8. Frequency of the modal class is 8. So F1 is equal to 8. Okay. So what will be F0 here? Preceding one. So it is 7. And F2, it is the succeeding one, that is 2. Now calculate the mode. Mode is equal to L, it is 3 plus F1, it is 8 minus F0, it is 7 divided by 2 times F1, 2 into 8 minus F0 is 7 minus 2 into H, that is 2. Okay. So this is equal to 3 plus inside the bracket 8 minus 7, 1 by, and here listen, here you have to do the multiplication first, then the subtraction. Don't do 8 minus 7 first. Okay. Always remember multiplication first. 8 2 is 16. Okay. Minus 7 minus 2. You can write another step. Okay. So mode is equal to 3 plus 1 by minus 7 minus 2 is minus 9. 16 minus 9, how much you will get? 7. This into 2. So mode is equal to 3 plus 2 by 7. 2 by 7 you can calculate the decimal value, then add with 3. 3.28. Right here, mode is equal to 3.28. Okay, then median also one problem will finish today for the test. Age even, and here number of patients. Age 5 to 15, it is 6. 15 to 25, 11. 25 to 35, it is 21. 35 to 45, 23. 45 to 55, 14. 55 to 65, it is 5. Huh. You have to find the mode of the given data. Recheck the data once. 5 to 5, 15, 6. 15 to 25, 11. 25 to 35, 21. 35 to 45, 23. 45 to 55, 14. 55 to 65, 5. Huh. You have to find the mode. Huh. Which is the model class here? 35 to 45. This is the model class.
Two decimals. Two decimals. Don't take LCM. Okay. What I feel is it's easy to do division this much and add that. Okay.
So this problem, what we will get, mode is equal to L is 35 plus F1 23 minus 21 by 2 into 23 minus F0 is 21 minus F2 is 14 into H, that is 10. So this is 35 plus, it is not into, it is plus. 23 minus 21, it is 2 divided by, you have to multiply first. So you will get 46 minus 21 minus 14 into 10. Okay. So mode is equal to 35 plus 2 into 10, 20 by 46 minus 20. Two negative numbers are there. So just add them. You will get minus 35. So 46 minus 35. Okay. So this is 11. 20 by 11, you will get 1.8. So mode is equal to 36.8. Okay. Mode is equal to 36.8. Then second one. Many have done, I think, no? Second one. Okay. If you have finished the second one, do the third one or leave that space. You can do it in the hook. We'll do the third one. Third problem we will do here. Okay. The following data gives the distribution of the total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of a village. Find the modal monthly expenditure of the families. Also find the mean monthly expenditure. Okay. Expenditure. Here. This is number of families. First one, 1000 to 1500, it is 24. 1500 to 2000, it is 40. 2000 to 2500, 33. 2500 to 3000, 28. 3000 to 3500, 30. 3500 to 4000, 16. Sorry, not 16, 22. Then 4000 to 4500, it is 16. 4500 to 5000, it is 7. 1000 to 1524, 1500 to 2040, 2000 to 2533, 2500 to 3028, 3000 to 3530, 3500 to 4022, 4000 to 4516, 4500 to 5007. So which is the model class here?
1000 or 40.
40, correct. So that is 1500 to 2000, it is the model class. So 1500 to 2000 is the model class what we get, because it is having the highest frequency. So mode formula, it is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 times F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Huh. Now tell me what is H here? What is H? 500. L? 1500. F1 40. F0? F0 is 24. This earlier than that, no? 24. And F2 is 33. Substitute the values. So mode is equal to L is 1500 plus F140 minus F0 24 divided by 2 times F1, that is 2 into 40, minus F0 24 minus F2 33 into H. H is what? 500. So mode is equal to 1500 plus 40 minus 24. How much you will get? 60. By 40 into 2, 80. 80 minus 24 minus 33 into 500.
Should we find the mean?
No, not required. Next class we'll do, at least we'll do one median problem also. That's right. Next we'll do median. So minus 24 minus 33. If anyone having doubt in simplification, just check it. Minus 24 minus 33. Add them. You will get minus 57. 80 minus 57. Mode is equal to 1500 plus 16 into 500 by 23. Okay, so mode is equal to 1500 plus 16 into 500. How much you will get? 8000 you will get. So 8000 by 23. You can take LCM and simplify. I feel better you divide this directly. Whatever answer you will get, add with them. Okay, so mode, you will get 1847. Okay, we'll do the median problem, one median problem, and I want to do the missing frequency also. We'll do the median problem. This is done. We'll do the median problem. Write down the formula first, then we'll calculate. Median. So median means what? It is the middle number. We are trying to calculate the middle number in the data. That is called as the median. Okay. So median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So what is L? Write down this. L is the lower limit of median class. L is the lower limit of the median class. N is the number of observations. It is the number of observations. And F is the frequency. Frequency of median class. Frequency of the median class. Okay. And CF, it is a cumulative frequency. It is the cumulative frequency. Okay. Of the class preceding the median class. Of the class preceding the median class. Preceding the median class. It is a cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. And H, size of the class. So L will be the first, we will see the median class. First we will check for the which is the median class. So L will be the lower limit of the median class. N by 2 will give you, N is the number of observations. So N by 2 will be half of that. Okay. While doing, I will tell that CF. F is the frequency of that particular median class. CF will be the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, and H will be the size of the class. Okay, written. Now write down the data. Calculate the median. Calculate the median. Now we are trying to calculate the median of the given data. Marks, number of students. Number of students. Another one, it is the CF, that is the cumulative frequency column. Okay. So marks is 0 to 10, 5. 10 to 20, it is 3. 20 to 30, 20 to 30, 4. 30 to 40, 3. 40 to 50, 3. 50 to 60. Okay. 4. 60 to 70, it is 7. 70 to 80, 9. 80 to 90, 7. 90 to 100, 8. Just recheck. 0 to 10, 5. 10 to 23, 20 to 34, 30 to 43, 40 to 53. Then 50 to 64, 60 to 77, 70 to 89, 80 to 97, 90 to 108. So now we have to calculate the median of the given data. So how to calculate the median of the given data? So we have to calculate the middle of the number. So how we can know the middle of the number? If you know the sum of all the frequencies, by that divide by 2, there somewhere it has to come, right? So first calculate the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means you will start adding the frequencies. So first one, it is 5. Okay. Second one will be 5 plus 3. So 8. Next, third one will be sum of all the three, that is 8 plus 4, 12. Then next one is sum of all the 4 here, right? So that is 12 plus 3, so 15. Then 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. 22 plus 7, 29. 29 plus 9, 38. 38 plus 7, 45. 45 plus 8, 50. So total, here the last number, what it will indicate, the sum of all the frequencies, right? Last number will indicate the sum of all the frequencies, that is n value, that is 53. N is the sum of all the frequencies, that value it is 53. Okay. What is n by 2 now? Divide by 2. 53 by 2. You'll get 36, 26.5. So n by 2 is 26.5. Okay. So in the CF column, more than 26.5, which is the one, it is 29. Again, I repeat, n by 2 is 26.5. Okay. More than n by 2 is what? 29. So that will be the median class. Okay. So this is the median class. So in the CF column, more than n by 2 is what? 26.5. More than that is 29 only. So this is the median class. So median is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay, so L here is the lower limit of the median class. So it is 60. N by 2, we know it is 26.5. CF is the preceding class of the median than the median class. See here, this is a median class. CF will be the preceding class in the CF column. That is, this is 22. This is the CF value. Okay, so CF is equal to 22. And F is what? It is the frequency of that median class, that is 7. And H, it is a class size, that is 10. Now substitute the values and calculate. So median is equal to L is 60 plus N by 2 is 26.5 minus CF, that is 22, divided by F, 7, into H, that is 10, is equal to 60 plus 26.5 minus 22. What you will get? 4.5. 4.5 into 10, 45, 45 by 7. Okay, so median is equal to, simplify this, you will get 0.4. You will get it as this, you will get it as 6.4. So you will get it as 66.4. First one. So following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. So we will do the median. Only median. Then second one we'll calculate X and Y missing frequency also. Okay. So here calculate median. Calculate the median. First one, class interval, frequency. Sorry, this is monthly monthly consumption monthly consumption and number of consumers. $65 to 85, 4. Then 85 to 105, it is 5. 105 to 125, 13. 125 to 145, 20. 145 to 165, 14. Okay, 165 to 185, 8. 185 to 205, 4. So CF here, 4 here, first one. Second one will be 4 plus 5, 9. Do that everything. Tell me which is the median class.
125 to
125 to 145 you will get.
1. So that is 20. This is 20. So that is 20. Okay.
Huh. So what you will get CF value? Tell me the CF value here. 4, 9, 9 plus 13, 2. Huh. 22 plus 20, 42 plus 14, 56 plus 8, 64, 64 plus 4, 68. Okay. Just listen once if anyone having doubt. 68 is there. What is this? Sum of all the frequencies you are getting here, right? So this is the n value. So n is equal to 68. N by 2 will be half of that. So it is 34. Okay. Now, since we are calculating the median will be the middle value, correct? Median will be the middle value. So n by 2, more than n by 2, wherever you will get CF, just get it. 34 is here. Here it is 42. Correct? More than n by 2 value is here. So this will be the median. Okay, so this is the median class. Okay, L is equal to the lower limit of that is 125. H is what class size? 145 minus 125, it is 20. Then n by 2 value we calculated, that is 34. F is the frequency of the median class, that is 20. And CF will be the earlier preceding one in this column, that is this is the median one, right? Preceding one will be 22. So this is the CF value. Now substitute. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So median is equal to L is 125 plus n by 2 is 34 minus CF, that is 22, by F is 20 into H. H is also 20. Here these two are multiplication, so you can cancel them. The median is equal to 125 plus 34 minus 22. So median is equal to, you will get 137. Okay. You want the missing frequency or you can do? We'll do one missing frequency. Okay. Shall I clear this? If you have done everyone? Huh? Okay. That is the most, like what they ask is that question actually. Median. Huh. So one question, last question, we'll finish it off. Write down fast. Second one, you have to calculate the find the values of x and y. Okay, median they have given. Write down this median. It is given 28.5. Find x and y. Find x and y. Class interval. This is the frequency. So you have to find the missing frequency here. 0 to 10, frequency is 5. 10 to 20, frequency it is x. 20 to 30, it is 20. 30 to 40, it is 15. 40 to 50, it is y. And 50 to 60, it is 5. Okay, total it is 60 here. 0 to 10, 5, 10 to 20, x, 20 to 30, 20, 30 to 40, 15, 40 to 50, y, 50 to 60, 5. And listen here, everyone. Median, they have given 28.5. That means what? In the class interval, where it will come in the class interval? Between 20 to 30, it is 28.5 is there, right? Directly already they have given the median. You have to find the missing frequency. So here median class will be between these two here. Okay, 20 to 30 will be the median class, because already the median value is there. So where, in which class interval it will come? Between 20 to 30. So this is the median class. Okay, so median 28.5, it is between 20 to 30. That will be the median class. Oh, okay. Now first calculate the CF for this. CF here 5, 5 plus x.
25.
Next 25 plus x. Then it will be 40 plus x. Next one will be y, I don't know. So I will write 40 plus x plus y. Then 40 plus 5, 45 plus x plus y.
The solution of frequency is
60.
Then FI will be
30.
So should it be 30?
I don't know x value, no. How I will take? I can keep 10 also. I can keep 5 also.
So in that way,
You will add me. See, why we are taking here means, so what you are actually calculating in the class interval only, you are getting the median value, right? Where is the median value? Median value will be in the class interval. Okay, but we don't know. That's why we had taken from the CF. We are trying to get the value, but we already know that. Then we directly we can get from the class interval. It is 28.5, between 20 to 30. See, if I add x, I can take 10 also, 5 also, anything. If I take 10, then some other, the column will change. If I take 5, then which one is a median class will change, no? I don't know that.
So if we take 30 to 40, it will be wrong.
Yeah, it will be wrong. Completely wrong. You cannot take that. Okay. So always, whenever they have already given the median value, you have to search in the class interval. So between 20 to 30, you have that. So that is the median class.
So we should take it from the class interval, not from the CF.
Not from the CF. We are already, if they've given, you have to take from here, class interval. Okay. Now CF also we have got. Now we have two missing frequencies, so you need two equations to solve that. Okay. So and we know total of all the frequency, it is 60. So 45 plus x plus y should be equal to 60. So 45 plus x plus y should be equal to 60 now. So x plus y is equal to 60 minus 45, it is 15. So this is the first equation. Okay. Listen first, afterwards you can search. If you have doubts, you can ask. Okay. So this is the median class now. So median, what is the formula we have? Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay, L here is 20. L is 20. N by 2 is equal to 60 by 2, that is 30. Okay, and CF is earlier than this, is a median class earlier than this, so 5 plus x. And F is the frequency of the median class, that is 20. And H is equal to 10. Median value they have given, that is 28.5. 28.5. Now this is equal to L. L value is what? 20 plus n by 2 is 30 minus of CF, that is 5 plus 6. This minus is for both. Don't take minus 5 plus 6. Minus of 5 plus 6. That one. Okay. Divided by F, that is 20. And H, it is 10. 10 ones are 10 twos are. Since multiplication, I can cancel here. Okay. So 28.5 is equal to 20 plus here 30 minus 5 minus x divided by 2. Write down this much. Then everyone other same. Very important problem. Most of the time either median or mean they give x and y, missing frequency.
But for mean also we take from class interval, right?
Class interval. Whenever they have given, you have to take from class interval.
But in mean we won't find it with CF.
Mean will find with that formula, mean formula.
Yeah.
Okay, median you have to form from its formula. That's it. Tomorrow you people will come 5 to 6:30. We'll finish optics little light chapter. Even for you they have started, no? Light. Only statistics they have not started.
They completed phase of linear.
Oh. Real numbers and that also.
They started
Trigonometry.
chemistry, they started history.
Okay. First chapter or second? First chapter. It's written. Done. Steps.
X is 12.
12 we are getting. Done. Everyone written. Pavan written. So we got 28.5 is equal to 20 plus 5, no? What is this? Tell me.
Okay, 30.
30 minus 5, no?
Yeah, 30
5 minus x by 2 into, that's it. Now this I can shift here. 28.5 minus 20 will be 8.5. So that is equal to 30 minus 5, 25 minus x by 2. 2 shift to here. 8.5 into 2 is equal to 25 minus x. 8.5 into 8.5, 17 you will get. 16 plus 1. Minus x you shift to this side, 17 to the other side. X is equal to 25 minus 17. So x you will get it as 9, no?
Ma'am, 8. Twice.
Huh.
Ma'am, can't you just take in that side, like in the first step? 28.5 into 2.
No, you can't take. Plus is there in between. Okay. So what will be y?